Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. In today's video guys, we're going to show you how to fix a problem if your car idles high or idles low, changes the idling up and down, what's causing that. Now we have that throttle body here guys that we removed out of the car. Usually newer vehicles now, they have the idle motor, it's part of the throttle body, so the throttle body is the one that actually is the one responsible for your RPMs and your idling. Dirty throttle body guys will set the idle off. Okay, all that carbon buildup here and oil buildup, it's going to cause the throttle body not to seal good, and as a result your idle will be off. Also check out, we found in ours a piece of electrical tape stuck there. Okay, so we'll need to pull that one out. On the other side, okay, check it out, pretty dirty. You can see where the air was sucking through, so all that guys needs to be cleaned, otherwise your car will not idle good. Also, if it idles high, you have to inspect gaskets, okay, on the intake manifold. If you have a leaking gasket, okay, your car might idle really rough as well. And inspect your intake boots, okay, like this one. BMWs are known for cracking those, and if you have a small crack, your car might idle really bad because it will be sucking air through that crack, and the mass airflow sensor will not detect that air, and as a result more air will go in the engine and it will idle high. So always check that, always check sensors, always check the throttle body, but I'll definitely recommend, if you never clean your throttle body, clean it. We do it at least every 60,000 miles. It improves MPG as well. This is the cleaner that we use. Throttle body and air intake cleaner. You can see instant power gain, MPG in under 20 minutes. It's proven, okay, it's proven, dyno proven that this thing can actually give you more horsepower, especially if you use the mass airflow cleaner as well. Check it out, it says 4 to 10 horsepower at the wheels. So that's something that you should consider guys. Now we're going to clean it and show you the end result. Stay with us. So we're going to pull that electrical tape out that was stuck there. Now again, use gloves guys. This is the spray, okay, right here. We'll put the little tube so we can spray more directionally where we need it to. Okay, check out the difference. This is just unbelievable. I'm telling you, that thing does wonders. It's amazing. You want to open that valve and do the bottom wall of the valve as well, because you have some stuff on it. Hold it open with your hands. Spray underneath as well and clean there. So you can see we're almost done, just a little bit on this side now. So you can see how shiny that thing is turning. It's important what it looks like on the inside. Outside is not so important, but we'll just wipe a little bit. And you can see this thing is like brand new, so that definitely looks amazing. Okay, check out the end result now. Okay, you can see smooth, nice, polished body. Okay, you can see it's so polished, so chrome here, and we couldn't see that before. And you can see it's like mirror, amazing. So hopefully guys, the video will be helpful to some of you. Please hit that subscribe button for more videos and see you guys next time.